Welcome to the podcast. Today, we're diving into the fascinating world of game development and discussing an exciting open-source fighting game engine called Ikemen-GO. Now, you might be asking, what exactly is Ikemen-GO? Well, let's break it down. Ikemen-GO is a powerful fighting game engine that supports resources from the well-known MUGEN engine. It's not just a simple tweak or update, it's a complete rewrite of its predecessor, known simply as Ikemen. So, why go through all that effort, you might wonder? The developers aimed for backward compatibility with MUGEN version 1.1 beta, while also adding a multitude of new features. It's like taking an old classic car, giving it a full facelift, adding a modern sound system, and enhancing its performance, all while ensuring it still runs on the same tracks, so to speak. If you're curious about the new features, there's a comprehensive list on their wiki. Imagine customizing your fighting game experience, and that's exactly what Ikemen-GO allows you to do. Now, getting started with Ikemen-GO is pretty straightforward. You can find ready-to-use builds for Windows, macOS, and Linux in the repository's Releases section. Ever tried to download software and hit a wall? Not here. You simply download a zip file, extract it, and voila. For Windows users, it's just a matter of double-clicking the executable file, while macOS and Linux users have a straightforward command to follow. Are you a developer or feel like diving deeper into game creation? You'll find detailed instructions on how to create custom stages, characters, and more on their community forums. It's like entering a new realm and unleashing your creativity. And for those interested in building the engine from scratch, they've got your back too. The instructions on how to build Ikemen-GO on various platforms are readily available, which is fantastic. But what if you encounter any hiccups along the way? The community has set up an issue tracker where you can report bugs or seek solutions. There's even a helpful troubleshooting guide for those pesky problems that pop up. It really embodies the spirit of open source. You're never alone in your journey. Oh, before I forget, here's a fun tidbit. The name Ikemen actually stands for a Japanese phrase that translates to eternally unfinished engine. It reflects the ongoing nature of development and improvement. Isn't that a clever nod to the ever-evolving world of software? As we wrap up, it's clear that Ikemen-GO offers both newcomers and seasoned developers the tools they need to create and innovate. Whether you're a hardcore gamer or an aspiring developer, this engine opens a world of possibilities for customizing and creating your own fighting games. So, if you're seeking an engaging project or want to explore the depths of game development, consider diving into Ikemen-GO. You might just find it's the perfect stage for your next big idea. Thanks for tuning in today. If you have any thoughts or questions about Ikemen-GO, feel free to share them. What aspects of game development intrigue you the most? Until next time, keep exploring and creating.